You are welcome in this section. In this particular section, you're going to learn everything that concerns lead generation, how to do it, and how to make so much money from it. In affiliate marketing, there is two most important things you need to make so much money from affiliate marketing. Two most important things. One is your device, that is either your smartphone or your laptop, and secondly is what we call lead generation. So before you get confused, let's just use Google. If you go to Google and type what is lead generation, what is lead generation? Lead generation is the process of generating consumer interest for a product or service with the goal of turning that interest into a sale. Yes, lead, they are called customers or consumers or prospects. You can also call them lead. Okay, so customers generation or lead generation. Okay, so they are all the same. So lead means customer, it also means prospect, it also means consumer, that's people that purchase or use a particular product or services. So now that you have know what lead generation is all about, and like I said earlier, in affiliate marketing there are two things you need to succeed and make so much money for yourself. One is device, maybe your smartphone or this laptop you're using to watch me. And lead generation, you have know the definition of lead generation. Now, how will you apply it in affiliate marketing to make so much money for yourself? Here is how to start. In generating of leads in affiliate marketing or in generating of customers in affiliate marketing, there is two types. Yes, we have organic ways of generating leads and we also have paid ads. I'm going to narrate the difference and show you how to practice both of them. How to practice organic ways of generating leads and how to also practice paid ads. So now let's start with organic ways of generating leads. Organic ways of generating leads work for those who don't have money to go for paid ads, maybe Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, X, which is Twitter ads, WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp TVs, and so many of them. What I mean by ads is advertisement. So if you don't have money to go for that one, don't worry. These organic ways of generating leads will help you a lot to still make so much money for yourself. But as a newbie or somebody that just starts or join affiliate marketing, I will encourage you to start with these organic ways of generating leads. It will help you so much. Even if you have money to go for paid ads, you can still save that your money or keep that your money and still do these organic ways of generating leads to see how you make so much money for yourself. But if you still want to improve or win sales challenge in affiliate marketing so fast, you can also go for paid ads. Now, how do you start these organic ways of generating leads? It's so simple. You can start it with content creation. Yes, this content creation, you don't really need to post or show your face or post your own videos to generate massive leads for yourself. You can also post or use other people's video to generate massive leads for yourself. It is allowed in affiliate marketing. But before you think of posting other people's video, you have to do this first. You have to furnish your social media account. Maybe if you want to choose Facebook, you have to first turn your Facebook to professional mode and change your bio. And for you to change your bio, you have to first create your wall link. I'm going to show you how to create wall link in few minutes. This wall link is just a link to your WhatsApp number. As using your WhatsApp number to generate link is so simple. And for you to create that wall link, go to wa.link. That's in Google. Go to Google, wa.link. So when you go to wa.link and you open it like this, you scroll down, you will see this section where you will enter your number. You add your number, your WhatsApp number, anyone, your WhatsApp number, you add that. Okay, then after you add that, you will see here where they wrote add a custom message. This message is what the users that click your link will see first. For instance, if they click your link on Facebook, maybe your Facebook bio or your TikTok bio, they are going to see something like, hello Lois, I will use my name, Lois Chuku. I'm coming from Facebook, so that you will know that this person clicked this particular link from Facebook. Okay, I'm coming from Facebook. Then you can add any emoji. Then for you to know that person, my name is, you add something like this. So this is exactly what the person will see. This is exactly what the person will see when he or she click the link on your Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or X bio. Then if the person click it, hello Lois Chuku, I am coming from Facebook. My name is maybe John. My name is John. Then this person will send it to you on WhatsApp. You will know that this person is coming from Facebook and his or her name is John. Okay, so after you add that, it's simple. After you add the custom message, you scroll down again and click generate wire link. You can see is generated already and is for free. Then you scroll down below again and click copy link. Copy link. Copied. But I will advise you, you have to create another link separately for TikTok. For instance, the place where you wrote Facebook, you will just come and edit it. You can add TikTok. You copy the link, you generate the link again and paste on your TikTok bio. You can see I've generated the link again. I'll click copy. Then after that, you paste the one on your TikTok bio. You can come again and do the one of Instagram. You just change Instagram. So it will be like, hello Lois Chuku, I am coming from Instagram. My name is. Okay, so it's so simple. It's so simple. So it's so simple, and this is how to create your wire link. Your wire link you will use to generate or know exactly where your leads are coming from. So after you have created your wire link or you have generated your WhatsApp link, now you have to go to any of these your social media and paste it on your bio. This is how to paste it on your bios. So for you to add your wire link on your Facebook bio, you click your bio on Facebook. Then you can write something like, I can help you to start earning with your phone. Click here to get started, something like that. Then you add an arrow, then paste that your wire link. You can see how it looks like. Then after that you click save. So you can see how it looks like on your Facebook bio. I can help you to start earning with your smartphone. Click here to get started. So this person will see it so clearly on your Facebook bio. You cannot be able to click it. Reason is because you are the owner. Okay, but the person, somebody else will see it so clearly. Okay, the link will be clickable, and immediately they click the link, they will reach you on WhatsApp. Okay, it's so amazing. So now let's continue. You have added it to your bio, right? Now this is the time to post videos. Remember, this is organic ways of generating leads. It's not a must that you will post your own video, and for you to get videos you will post, easily go to any of these platforms. For instance, go to TikTok and search affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on search bar. You will see different individual that talk about affiliate marketing. They are doing all these things to also generate leads on their WhatsApp. So you too can do the same, even if you don't know how to create videos, to edit videos, or you are shy to show your face on camera. You download their own video, and for you to download it without watermark, you have to first copy the link of that particular video you want to download. Copy the link of that particular video. Then you go to Google. You go to Google and search for Snaptic. Snaptic. If I open Snaptic on Google, I will just paste that TikTok video that I copy and click download. So in a few minutes, this particular video will be downloaded and I will see it on my phone gallery without wasting time at all. And when I have finished downloading the video for you now, you will just upload the same video on TikTok using the same hashtag if you like, or you can use a different hashtag so that your video will do well as well and you generate massive leads for yourself. But before you start to post, make sure you have set your bio, maybe your TikTok account bio or your Facebook account bio, depending on place or any of these social media accounts you want to post that video. Now here is what you will do before you post that video. For instance, if you want to post this particular video on TikTok, you have to filter the TikTok search bar to make sure that yes, you use the same hashtag that current videos used, so that your video will easily go viral and generate massive leads or massive customers for yourself. Now this is how you're going to do it. So go to your TikTok and click that search bar. Then you search for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. So when you open, you will see different individuals talking about affiliate marketing, and when you even scroll down, you will see individuals still talking about affiliate marketing. So now what will you do next? Click that three line above, click it, then you click filters, then you leave the sort by like count, then video category by all, then date posted, keep it in past 24 hours, okay, so that you will see current videos doing well under affiliate marketing in 24 hours. You can see them by yourself, many videos. So what will you do now? Open one video, then you can see how it looks like. You can also scroll down below to open another one. So what will you do next? You click the more button and screenshot it. This is what you're going to use to create your own video and go viral immediately. So now you post your videos, but even if you post the first video and you do not see much result, maybe you just see 100 people, but you need more, you have to still post more videos, okay? So this is one of the ways to do this organic leads and generate a lot of customers for yourself. But it's not a must that you will only use videos. Maybe you're that person who don't like to use videos at all. You can also use text, and this is how to use text to generate massive leads for yourself. Alright, so this is how to generate leads with text. Go to your search bar and search for something like affiliate marketing. You will see different groups of affiliate marketing. You have to just join any of them. For instance, let me join this one, and if you check well, you can see how it looks like. So before you join any group, make sure the group is active, like is a group that posts a lot and there is much member there. For instance, let me join this one now. They have 111,000 members, and you can see people are commenting on this group. So what will you do now? You can just make a post and write something like, you can make 500 to 700,000 weekly with just a video call with your smartphone. Or you can say something like, you can make 500k to 700k weekly with just your smartphone, okay, with just your smartphone. DM me if you are really interested. DM me if you are interested. So if you put something like this, like, people will be like, hey, how can I make 500k with my smartphone just in a week? How is it possible? In fact, let me DM you. And remember that people are in this group. They will surely DM you. Even if you don't want to search about affiliate marketing, you can create or search an amazing groups like entrepreneur, something like that. Then you go to group. You can see the groups of successful women that are entrepreneur. You join, and the group is 100 and 419,000 members. You answer the simple questions and submit to join the group. Okay, join meaningful groups. Join meaningful groups that will help you to generate leads. That you know that, hey, if these people see this type of message or this type of post, they will surely DM you. Okay, don't just join anyhow group. I believe this is clear. So this is how to use text to generate leads. I mean quality leads. You have to write texts that are so captivating to make people rush on your DM to purchase whatever you sell. Don't say you are not sure if this thing will work. It works like magic if you are consistency in this. This is what most people you see that got a lot of results on affiliate marketing are doing, and they make so much money for themselves. So now that you have seen how to generate massive leads organically or how to get customers organically, now let's divert to paid ads. And like I said, don't just watch this video and scroll up and go. Try your best to implement everything immediately so that you get the same result that you are seeing on your screen. So see you in next section where you are going to learn everything that concerns paid ads, how to use your affiliate marketing links, and how to also close those leads and make so much money for yourself. So see you in that section.